All right, so I'm gonna show you guys now my Master Mattes liquid liner in super black. Now, when I'm doing liquid liner, I always like to first apply the eyeliner pencil like I did earlier and shaped it with the brush. Now I like to go over and trace it with the liquid liner. What's great about this liquid liner is that there is like about a 15-minute time period before the product actually locks in and becomes waterproof. And the reason is because I do eyes first. So sometimes when you're lining your eye, you think you get a really nice shape and you move on to other parts of your face. What happens is that when you start moving your face into different angles, you realize that you may have not gotten a perfect shape. And so this will allow you a 15-minute time period where you can go in and fix that shape and perfect it before it locks in and becomes completely waterproof and matte. So now that I have already drawn in the shape with the eyeliner pencil, I'm gonna take the liquid liner now and just trace the shape to get a really heavy-duty, super black, matte, pigmented line that locks in, becomes bulletproof, and lasts you all day and night. Also, another great tip is that when you're in the mirror, lean your elbow on a flat surface, tilt your head up, and hold your skin, and then do the line that way. When you lean your elbow on a flat surface, it's gonna really help you to balance your hand. Now, this felt tip, it allows you to sort of bend and curve very easily in the way that a thin brush would. And that's it. This will completely dry down, grip, and lock. And in about 15 minutes, it becomes completely matte, and it will not move whatsoever until you remove it.